guys? Welcome back to my channel. And it's like June the 5th, and it is about 6:50, 6:45ish. I'm not really sure in the morning, and I'm up about to get the baby ready for daycare. And I put in paid time off today, PTO today, so I'm off because I have some running around to do. So yeah, I just found her something to wear, and I think whenever I get back running my errands, I'm gonna go through all of her clothes and basically like get rid of everything that she cannot fit. Because when I say she is a big girl, she is a big girl. Like yesterday, she had a blowout, and it was all up her bag and all of that, and I had to go in the store to buy her something to wear, and I'm just like, okay, they don't really have your size. The closest thing they have is 12 months, but you're 9 months. Y'all, that 12 month fit on her like a 0 to 3 month. I was like, ain't no way you this big, girl. Like, ain't no way all I did is eat with you. But yeah, that's what I got going. I'm gonna straighten up my room and all of that. I'm trying to straighten up the house, straighten up all the rooms, bathroom, my room, laundry room, living room, kitchen. Yeah, because in my room, I just got some stuff all over the floor, like some clothes, a whole case of water, and yeah, I was gonna say vacuum my bed. My God, I'm so sleepy. I need to make my bed, and I need to vacuum the floor a little bit, even though like the floor is not like, it don't got no trash on it or nothing. I just have a habit of vacuuming the floor just because. But the baby, she's right here. Let her down. So yeah, and I'm about to try to put her hair in a ponytail, and I know that she hates this part, but it's whatever. Do y'all see how my car be looking? Like, look to that one right there. But look, trash everywhere. I don't even feel like I had intentions on cleaning my car out, but I did it anyway because it needed it. And I don't know why, like every other day, every other day, I have to vacuum my car out, which is insane. Kids have no respect for your car at all. But now that I did it, I think I'm gonna go get me and Londa something to eat, because that's the only reason she jumped in my car this morning, is to go get her something to eat. So I'm gonna go get her something to eat. And I'm trying to figure out what this car is doing. He's just like in the way. He's like literally in the way. Like if I was to leave, I would probably have to drive straight and then turn out that way, because he's parked where cars enter and leave. And I don't know why he's parked right there. And he's just like jamming the music, smoking a cigarette. Like, what are you doing? Like, move out of the way, sweetheart. But yeah, y'all, that's what I'm about to do. And my car look better. Like, and that's the thing, my car, any of my cars I've ever had, they was never this bad. Like, never. I don't know, but they always say how your car look is how the inside of your house look. So if your car nasty, then your house ain't too far behind. All right, guys, it's a few days later, and I just been needing a little bit of motivation to get up and clean. I've been supposed to clean up since like last week, and it's like not a lot that need to be clean, but it's just like I need to get into that mode where I need to clean. And of course I need to wash clothes again. And y'all, every time or every week it get closer and closer and closer to them supposed to come and fix the washing machine, it get pushed back further and further. Like, I've had enough. At this point, I'm about to just tell them, you know what, don't send nobody to fix it. If I'm paying a warranty, just replace it. You know what I mean? I don't have time for all of this. Like, I don't have time at all. But I'm about to wash my face and brush my teeth and all of that, so I can go ahead and do some stuff that I need to do. So yeah, y'all, and I think it's Saturday, June the 8th, if I'm not mistaken. Plus I need to go to Walmart to get the baby's milk. So yeah, and then after that I really don't know what we got planned today because I don't know. So let me just go ahead and get myself situated. And y'all, I'm washing my face with this little facial scrub that I found in Dollar General because normally I go to Walmart and get my facial cleaner stuff, but yesterday I wasn't in the mood and Dollar General was right there. So I got this acne scrub. I don't even have acne, honestly. I just got it because it's like the only thing they had at the moment. So I mean, it helps with breakouts and all of that, and my face honestly has been breaking out just a little bit, and I'm like annoyed about that because honestly I have not been really taking care of my skin as much as I should. So this right here is what I'm using, and it smells so good. All right, y'all, now that I'm done with doing all of that, I'm about to I don't know, I'm thinking try to straighten up in here a little bit before, what you need lip gloss for, before I decide to really do anything, honestly. And normally I put on Carmex, but y'all know Carmex be getting lost real quick, so this is like the closest thing in my eyesight is lip gloss. So we're just gonna make that work, you know. Say hello. We're just gonna make it work. And I'm about to change her pamper and get her another bottle. I was gonna cook, but I don't really have everything that I need. And by the time I cook, it's probably gonna be later on today. So I'm not even really gonna worry about that right now. So yeah, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it going. This is the milk that she gets. Originally she was on this one, but they don't have like the size cans like this in this size anymore, which I feel like is ridiculous, but yeah. And oops, sorry there. Let's see. And yes, I do have WIC, but I feel like sometimes I still be coming out of pocket way more than I have to just to buy milk. So yeah, I'm gonna get her this too. And I think today we're gonna try some food. I mean, she eats table food, but for a snack, I want to get her maybe some apples. Like this one. I would do apple blueberry, but I don't think she liked that one. Should I try the yogurt? I'm not sure. Apple, strawberry, banana. Let's try this one too. I'm gonna just try those for right now to see, because I don't like buying stuff if she gonna like waste it. So, and normally I be getting her these teething rings or teething snack. And she actually likes those. I mean, like, she likes juice and all of that too. It's just, she is the type to where, like, if you got it, then she want it. But if you giving it to her by herself, then she don't want it. And I think she's good on, like, wipes and diapers and stuff. So that's pretty much all I came in Walmart for today. And I'm about to go get us something to eat. Ain't that right, girl? That is... Can I get an order of French toast sticks?
Say it again on my dress stick.
Huh?
Say my dress stick?
No, French toast sticks.
Alright. Anything else?
And can I get a number 10, a 3-piece?
Number 10 with a sweet tea?
No, a lemonade.
A lemonade and a sweet tea mix?
Yeah, the mix.
Alright, what size?
Medium.
Alright, anything else?
That's the combo?
Say it again.
Is that the combo?
I'll make it a combo.
Stop. Okay, y'all. We done made it back home. And I give my food a 3, a solid 3. Like, it was not good. The chicken was fried too hard to the point where the meat was just hard in the inside. And that's just not how I like my food. And I didn't have time to be taking it back because it's too hot outside. And me and the heat, and when I'm already mad, it doesn't mix at all. Yeah, say hello. Say hello. Hey. Yeah, so me and the heat and all of that don't mix. So I'm about to relax, about to put her down for a nap because she been up since maybe 7, 8 o'clock. And it's time for her a nap. And Luna is in her room doing her thing, and I'm about to be in here doing mine. I'm about to just watch me something on TV or something like that, or probably take a nap with her. Who knows? And y'all, I've been doing a little bit of editing, so I got me a little intro and a little outro, and I like it. So tell me how I did. But yeah, I know this video wasn't much, but it's something. And she likes chewing on stuff, but she still don't have no teeth, and she's 9 months. So I've been trying to compare 2 of my kids, because one that had teeth at 6 months and was walking at 8. She don't have any teeth, and I don't know. I'm not really going to bring her up to the doctor as of right now. I'm probably going to wait until her next appointment, which is coming up soon. And if not this appointment coming up, then I'll wait till she's 10 months. Well, it ain't going to be 10 months because they're going to want to see her when she's 1. But I think I might as well just go ahead and bring it up just to see, like, if it's anything I need to do, if it's anything they need to do, or if I just need to wait. You tired, I know. Bye-bye. 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 Bye, girl. Okay. So, yeah, we are about to just chill, relax. I'm not sure if we're going to go somewhere else today. Probably not. If not, it's fine. So, yeah, y'all, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. And if you don't like my videos, then... But we about to head out. Say bye. 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 Say, and we out. Bye. Alright, y'all. I'll see you in my next video.